My name's Katie Fearn. I am owner and founder of INKD Liverpool and I'm a permanent makeup artist. I trained in permanent makeup in 2019 and have consistently trained since then. I qualified to teach in 2020 and I started teaching permanent makeup at the end of 2021. I would tell myself if I could go back to stop complaining and put the work in. You will not get anywhere unless you practice. This isn't a career that you can just step into and be amazing at it. It's year after year, blood, sweat and tears to get where you want to be in this industry. Education is so important if you're newly qualified. You need to, very early on in your career, understand that it's continuous. You will always be learning, so that foundation-based training for you is super important to get you off on the right foot, so then you can develop into an outstanding artist. If your foundation training isn't good enough, you're going to lack in knowledge and that's going to reflect in your work. You're going to be super nervous and that is really going to show when you see your first client. You're going to be disappointed in your work, that's going to make you feel bad about seeing anybody else. So having good foundation training will really set you off on the right foot. You need to be confident, know that you can do it and have somebody that's cheerleading behind you. My courses include quite a lot, to be fair. Before you've even met me, you will be enrolled onto some online learning. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit boring at times, but it needs to be done, unfortunately, to work safely. So you will work at home at your own pace, in your own time, for a couple of weeks before you come and see me. If you're booked onto a beginner course, the minimum length of time that you'll see me face to face is 4 days. That goes right up to 8 days, depending on what you'd like to learn with me. We include kits, massive manuals. You will get everything that you need. You'll learn how to deal with clients, troubleshooting, and the aftercare is insane with me. I'm not gonna lie, you will always have access to me, and you can also book this place out to do your case studies. My courses are suitable for everybody. It doesn't matter your background. If you're a complete beginner, if you're a beauty therapist, anybody can book onto my courses and I will look after you. If you are already qualified in one type of permanent makeup, we also offer advanced courses for people just like you to expand their knowledge and gain new qualifications. Red flags I would associate with poor quality training. Number one, the tutors not having their own portfolio, not being able to prove to you that they can do the treatments that they're actually teaching. Number two, short courses. An absolute pet peeve of mine is people being taught to tattoo a face in one day. It's absolutely not suitable for any kind of beginner. Not having a kit provided for you, because it's super important to be using good quality products, so that's a red flag for me. And also not being able to work on a model. How many models are you going to see on your training, and are there any demo models? So if you are only doing one model on your training, that is not enough to teach you correct technique. The feedback I get from students is really good. This is an adult course that you're paying for. You don't get treated like a child when you're at INKD. Students want to stay here. I have students asking for jobs who want to come and work with me. The students mention this quite a lot to me about how relatable I am and how nice it is that the training is broken down so anybody can understand it. Thank you for watching today. I hope you all learned something. Remember to subscribe to the Killer Beauty YouTube channel and hopefully I'll see you again sometime soon.